Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek. Today I'm here with Ilya from Gtechniq, and we're going to talk about the product in front of us here called Panel Wipe. What is this product?
Panel Wipe is a solvent that is used prior to ceramic application. We need to clean the surface and rid them of all oils and waxes. So this is a solvent specifically designed to do that.
Okay, so it's my understanding that you guys have a nickname for this. Tell me about that.
Yes, the nickname is the Truth Serum. Reason being, as you know, paint correction, when we're using polishes, compounds, sometimes they're going to leave behind oils that could potentially hide defects. This will rid the surface of all of those. So we can actually see what the surface legitimately looks like.
So truth.
Truth serum.
Truth
yes,
behind everything.
Exactly.
Gotcha. And these microfibers in front of us, is that what I'm going to use to do the wiping?
Yep, very simply spray the product onto a microfiber. There's no need to use a lot of it, generally maybe 2 to 3 spritz of product, and then wipe an entire panel down.
Okay, and do you do a panel at each time? Do you do the whole vehicle?
It depends on your environment. If you're outside and you have contaminants constantly blowing in the air, maybe doing it panel by panel might be more beneficial, but for the most part, you're going to do the whole car at one go.
Gotcha. And what is this safe on? I know you painted surfaces, obviously, so that we're going to put a coating on top of that, but what can you and can't you use this on?
I wouldn't use it on any paint protection film, vinyl, plastics, rubber, pretty much the general substrates that you don't want to put a solvent on.
Let's talk a little bit about the safety of this product use as well.
So we do need to wear personal protection when we're using this product. We need to be in a well-ventilated area. So at a minimum, please wear gloves.
If you have more questions on this product and others from Gtechniq, you can visit autogeek.com.